Welcome to my channel Shipping Fonda. Actually we have quarantine on board and I am supposed to wear mask all the time. So what I want to say is I have uploaded a video around 1 month back and which was held for a review, and there were some edits and later on it was released. I am going to post it today. A lot of things have changed. I have heard China has banned Indian seafarers from entering their water, and the news is I am in Saudi now and loading and going to China. Let's see what happens, because we have more than 50 to 60% Indian crew on board and we are proceeding to China after 2 days. So what happens there, I am going to post it later on my video. Just keep a watch. I don't want to make this video long because I am busy right now. We have some cargo operations going on. I just wanted to tell you that the video which you will see now is an old video. And about China, I have heard that they have already banned Indian seafarers from entering there. More than 21,000 Indian seafarers are affected. Our ship is going there, and what will happen next, I will post you from China. Hello guys, how are you? As you can see, I am in the middle of the ocean. Now the question is, how did I reach on ship? I mean to say, how did I reach on ship without vaccination, without second dose? That's why I am making this video, to encourage all the seafarers who think they are stuck at their home when they are on vacation and they cannot join the ship without having 2 doses of vaccination. Let me not make this video very lengthy, because what I have noticed, few points from my travel from my home to the ship. These important points I want to tell to all seafarers. Firstly, the people who think बिना दोनों doses के they cannot go abroad is a myth, is a false. Till now there is no such regulation of vaccination. You can travel to so many countries. I was watching for those countries, and when I got a loophole that I can go to Turkey without any vaccination or anything, there was a ship there and my company made all the efforts to put me on this ship. As you can see, I am already sailing on the ship now. Firstly, till now there is no such regulation in any of the countries that a seafarer should have both the vaccines. So now what you have to do, even if you are not vaccinated and you want to join, please make all the effort to go on the ship, talk to your company, and they have all the ways to put you on the ship without vaccination. Number 2, so many guys have stuck on the land. They took only 1 dose, and because of this Covishield, they have to wait 84 days to get the second dose. Now, seafarers, please take a note of this line of mine. 2 days back, DG Shipping has issued an circular saying that seafarers and all the people who want to study, who want to work abroad, can have letter from their company and they can take Covishield in 28 days, not 84 days. So please go to your company, ask for the letter and book your vaccination in the ports and any medical center approved by the government. And regarding Covaxin, people still think that those who have taken Covaxin cannot go abroad. Is also a myth. they can also go abroad. They can also go abroad because till now nobody is asking on the airports, are you vaccinated or not? So still you have time. Escape from your places. If you really want to work on ship, leave everything right behind. The marriages, the functions, the birthdays, the anniversaries. Don't care for that and go on the ship and earn your bread and butter. That's the advice from me. And now there is another question that people who have only one dose of vaccine and they are on board, what is going to happen with them? Still there are no guidelines with this, as companies are not forcing anybody. No ports is asking for whether you are vaccinated or not. On my ship, people are still there with one vaccine. People are still there who have not vaccinated. So still you have a chance, but I cannot say anything what will happen tomorrow. You know, tomorrow there might be a compulsion. They are thinking about a passport which will have a vaccinated records of yours. That is a separate, but they don't know how to make a procedure about it. Like we seafarers have a yellow fever card for last 10 years. The vaccine was given 10 years before and we still have to carry that yellow fever card. Maybe this vaccination card will be in force in the future. So when we come back from ship, of course there will be a lot of provisions where they will tell us how to get vaccinated. If you are with the first dose and you are on ship, after completing your contract, come back and take second dose. Or you have to again take back 2 doses. There is no such guidelines about this. So don't care about all these rules and regulations. The only thing is pack your bags. And if you want to work on ship, just talk to your company and go abroad. What will happen next? Nobody knows. And there are always organizations like National Seafarers Unions of India. Again and again I tell you this word because I have seen this. This is the only hand which will hold you when you are in problem, when you are on ship. There are cases where ships and seafarers were held in China, seafarers held in Suez Canal, and the only name Nusi. They have got them back to India. Please go through all these records. And they will do something for the seafarers who are not vaccinated and they are on board. And when they come back, they will get it vaccination. And another thing, people who are visiting USA, there is good news for them. As I have seen, when the vessels are going USA, so there is Johnson & Johnson vaccine which are provided to all the seafarers, and the record has been put into your CDC continuous discharge book. Your CDC book, where it will show that you are being vaccinated in USA with Johnson & Johnson dose. So this is another opportunity for you. If you are struggling in India to get vaccination, get on your ship. Maybe that ship will go to USA and you will get vaccinated. Now there is another question. There is another question that seafarers go to different ports, that will they have another, like I have Covishield, and when I will go to US, then I have to get Johnson & Johnson inside me. Nobody knows about it. I have searched in Google. So the only option is to wait and watch. Like I have a Covishield now, and if I go to USA, will I take Johnson & Johnson? I have to totally depend on them. I have to ask them. And still it is not a mandate that you should have a vaccination compulsory. World Health Organization has already told, don't force anybody for vaccination. But this is entirely upon you. But I have told in my last videos also, today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you have to get yourself vaccinated, whether you like it or not like it. There will be obligations where they will ask you about this vaccination certificate, and you have to prove it that you are vaccinated. Like so many things, air flights, trains, everywhere, this will become compulsory, and 100% you have to get yourself vaccinated. Today is 25th June, a Seafarer Day. Happy Seafarer Day to all my seafarers who are sailing on ships and waiting at home to join the ship. At the end of this video, I will show you some small celebration we had on board. And this is a tribute also to all the seafarers, because as we saw, the world stopped because of a pandemic, corona, but seafarer never stopped working. Ships are working, whether it is a oil industry, whether it is a food grain industry, whether it is a medical, whether it is a general store. We provided each and everything to the world. So I salute the seafarers also. At the end, keep your moral high. Nobody can take your jobs from you. There are always ways for the seafarer. Our unions, our government has always kept a way. Whether everything is closed, you have seen in the past, seafarer never stopped. Of course, some sign-on and crew changes got delayed, but they always found a way that we should go home, enjoy vacation, and we should come back on the ship. So few points I told you. Covaxin guys, don't worry if you have taken Covaxin. Still there is no rule that any country is going to stop you from joining. So hurry up, just get your documents ready. Forget, nobody is asking about this vaccination on the airport. I have seen in the airport, nobody is asking, just join the ship. Whether you are first dose and whether you are not taken any dose, still you can join the ship. Just go on the ship and leave rest everything on God, and Almighty will really help you. This is all I want to say as of now, and if there is any more updates, I will keep you updated. And if you have anything which is related to us seafarers, which we should know, please let me know, and I will put a short video on this also. Today is 25th. We are reaching the port on probably 1st or 2nd in Europe somewhere. I have net restrictions and I cannot upload this video now. Maybe a lot of new things has come in a week. I am going to upload it later on.
Hey Rahul, jangan bingung.
कितना चला? क्या खेला तुम? लोकल 3 लाइन खेला क्या? मेरा फोन का है। मैं फोन मांगता हूँ। ड्रॉप। अभी कौन बता? सुनो। आपसे जीतकर अच्छा नहीं लगता। कितना चल रहा है? कितना लाइन का? लाइन चल रहा है। लास्ट के बोल रहे 5 आ गए। मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया। अच्छा मेरा कलर है ना, सीक्वेंस है ना, प्योर सीक्वेंस का है, प्योर सीक्वेंस हो गया, लेकिन उनका सीक्वेंस ट्रायल हो रहा है। ये लाइनिंग सही है। रेस्टोरेंट वाला फील आ रहा है। पहले चालू कर दे, बाद में बंद कर दे। सुना बोले था कितना लाएगा क्या वो? ले जाएगा कितना लाएगा क्या? चलो चलो भूख लगा, जल्दी कटो। ओके एवरीवन स्टार्ट ले लो। ओके अरे ये केक बनाने में एक्चुअली केक प्लेट दादा इसकी वो जो बनाना है अच्छा वीडियो बना रहे हो। चलो ओके एंजॉय चिप ओके लेट्स गो चिप हे हां फिर निकल मिल